Red-legged Seriema, a bird seen in South American countries. It is a raptor, carnivorous, eating birds, animals, and things like that. 2 feet tall, and when it comes into contact with the humans, they are suspicious and they feel threatened, usually spread their wings and face the threat. They walk in pairs or small groups. Although perfectly capable of flying, they prefer to spend most of their time on land. They take flight only when necessary, for example, to escape a predator. Red-legged Serimas mainly eat insects, small rodents, lizards, frogs, and birds. They also eat some seeds, fruits, cultivated crops such as corns, beans, and grains. Small prey are swallowed while large prey are torn apart while held between the sharp claws. Red-legged serimas are believed to be monogamous. The male's courtship display include strutting in front of the female and stretching out his flight feathers and lowering his head to show off his crest. Nesting. Both sexes build the nest, which is made of twigs and branches and lined with mud and leaves. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you once again.